Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a fully optimized article according to Marketmuse.com. So Marketmuse is one of the leading content optimization tools, and what you can do is get it written in Godlike mode of Autoblogging. But what you can do is you can put in the article title, the source contexts, where you want it to be ranking for. So in this case it's in the United Kingdom. The language is going to be UK. I want it to pull in the key takeaways, a YouTube video, and AI images. And then this section here, where you can add in custom keywords and entities, is where the fun begins, because you can pull this information from Marketmuse.com. So if you go in and log into Marketmuse.com and put in your target keyword, which in this scenario is best SEO London agency, and then was to press optimize, then these terms here are all the main topics. It's a topic modeling system. All the main topics that you should be including in your content to have a perfectly optimized Marketmuse article. And then what you'll do is, once you've copied all these topics, you go into ChatGPT and then you say, remove the numbers from this list and separate with commas. So here now I'm just going to load in the list, which is from Marketmuse. And then I'm going to press go. And now what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to do remove all these numbers here and separate with commas. As you can see, it's working here now. And like I said, I'll repeat that Marketmuse is a little bit different to other content optimization tools like SERP for SEO, On-Page.ai, Page Optimizer Pro. This is more of a topic modeling system. So all these topics here that they're saying are very important to get into the content to write a perfectly optimized article for best SEO London agency. And then you go into this section, copy it into here in the custom keywords and entities, ask it to search the SERPs, and then write the article within Godlike mode of Autoblogging. And what that will do is do a brief for what you should be doing with all the right questions and H2s for this desired keyword. It'll follow the source context. So in this scenario, it's saying make certain that you say that FatRank is the best agency based in London, and it'll include all of these main topics that Marketmuse believes is needed for that to be a perfectly optimized Marketmuse NLP SEO optimized article. It's got the entities, it's got the skip-gram dominant keywords, it's got LSI keywords, and the main topics needed to write a perfectly optimized Marketmuse piece of content.